Udio AI music generator has been released and some people say it's definitely the best music generator now, even better than Suno. Is that true? Hello everyone and welcome back to the TenorShare AI channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at how awesome Udio really is, and after watching our video you'll also learn how to make your own music with Udio AI. Let's go! First, let's take a quick look at what Udio is. Udio is an AI music generator created by Google DeepMind. Udio claims that Udio outperforms other generators in terms of ease of use, sound quality, and musicality. At the end of the video we'll also have Udio and Suno create the same song to see who comes out on top, so stick around to the end. Currently in beta, Udio will remain completely free and users will be able to create up to 12 songs per month. Suno, you're up against a strong opponent. Next, let's create music with Udio. Coming to Udio's official website, the homepage here has a lot of songs created by other people, very many different kinds. Now I'm getting a little excited. Here you can enter a description of the music you want. I want a song about a day wandering on the streets of London, jazz with a little bit of rock mixed in. Here you can enter lyrics that you have written, but I chose to let him create his own. After all, I'm a robot and can't write lyrics. Click on create and now he's composing. Now we have 2 AI generated songs here. Let's have a listen.
Umbrellas bloom in twilight's haze. Singer of blues under London skies.
Wow, I must say it's really awesome. Very full arrangement and you can hear all kinds of instruments. His voice is very different from mine, not so robotic. Although the song is only 33 seconds long, there is an option to extend the music, add intros, outros. Now, let's compare Udio and Suno. This one I want it to be a pop song about rainy night. And add some tag, pop, romantic, blues rock, guitar. Now I'll create a song with the same description by Suno to compare. Let's hear it together.
As the thunder rumbles, hearts synchronize. With each droplet's touch, I'm lost in your eyes. Street lights flicker, setting the stage. Rainy nights, I'm lost in your embrace. You're the one I want, the one I chase. Our love shines bright in the moonlight. On these rainy nights, I hold you tight.
Which song do you like better? Let me know in the comments section. In fact, there are a lot of people who don't like AI-generated music and think Udio is very scary for musicians and the music industry. Art is the art of all human beings, and I believe that art that lacks humanity will not impress us. Therefore, AI music generator can be used as an aid, but it can't replace the unique creativity and emotion of human beings. What do you think? Okay, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.